Unlocking English, collective nouns as singular antecedents. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're venturing into an exciting topic: collective nouns as singular antecedents. You might be wondering, what does that mean? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this concept and how to use it correctly. First things first, let's understand what collective nouns are. A collective noun refers to a collection of things taken as a whole. For example, team, group, family, committee, class, etc. These nouns, despite referring to more than one individual, are often treated as a single entity. Next, we need to clarify what an antecedent is. Simply put, an antecedent is a word that a pronoun refers back to in a sentence. In the sentence, Alex dropped her bag because it was too heavy. Alex is the antecedent of her and it. Now we're getting to the crux of the matter: collective nouns as singular antecedents. When we use a collective noun as the antecedent, the following pronoun must agree with it in number. If the collective noun is acting as a single unit, which it often does, we use a singular pronoun. For instance, let's consider the sentence, "The team takes its lunch break at noon." Here, team is a collective noun acting as a single unit, so the singular pronoun, its, is used. As always, English isn't without its quirks. There are exceptions where a collective noun may take a plural pronoun. This happens when the members of the group are acting individually, rather than as a single unit. For example, the committee were divided in their opinions. Here, committee is acting as individuals with different opinions, so we use their, a plural pronoun. There you have it. You've just navigated through the intriguing world of collective nouns as singular antecedents. Remember, when a collective noun is acting as a single unit, use a singular pronoun. However, keep an eye out for those exceptions when the collective noun refers to individual actions. As always, practice is key, so try creating your own sentences using collective nouns. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning!